Hey guys, so I'm looking at shampoos here, and basically I've got a bunch of different shampoos. I've got the Fruits Organic here. We've got Tresemme, which is $7, like Bar None conditioner, which is like for damaged hair apparently for $20, right? And then we've got things like the Weller Fusion, which is for 1,000 mils, or essentially a litre. You get it for $54.95, and that's without a trade account. So, I mean, the thing is that these shampoos tend to be, like, people seem to think that shampoo for hairdressing is super expensive. But these days, it seems like a lot of the commonly used stuff is just as expensive, and it causes issues. So Tresemme is significantly cheaper, but I mean, there's that whole court case with formaldehyde, and there's the whole thing where Tresemme is like just terrible for the hair. Like, it always creates a coating for people. So this $20 shampoo is 400 mils, 400 mils, which is a little bit under half, and it's a little bit under half the price of Fusion. So you might as well get the professional basin stock size, and they'll last you for ages. I mean, with places like AMR and other salon supply stores, you can actually get things significantly cheaper than what you would if you were, say, shopping elsewhere. It's crazy how much people don't realize that you can actually get decent products for your hair if you, just look into it. So you've even got like, if you look at Kohl's as well, like, I mean, I'm not sure if that will come up. Kohl's is their website's a bit weird, but I mean, with these ones, everybody knows that Fruits are not a decent shampoo brand here. Palmolive is, like, not that great either. Pantene, terrible. Like, honestly, if you can avoid two shampoos, Pantene and Tresemme, keep them off your list. Anyway, I think that the thing is, you gotta think about it this way. If something is that cheap, does it have high quality products in it? I'm probably going to do something a little bit more in depth with this when I have a bit more time to research. But I did have a subscriber mention that they wanted me to go over this a little bit. So I'm probably going to go in more depth, which would mean that, like, I'm gonna have to run to the store and yeah, but I mean, trust me, you don't want to put this stuff on your hair. Anyway, bye. Please like and subscribe and all of that stuff that I feel really awkward saying, but I'm gonna say it anyway, because, yeah. Okay, bye! Again, even though I said it a few seconds ago.